Welcome to the Tompkins County Department of Planning and Sustainability's Applicant tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell, and I'm with a Common Grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing applicants how to use our site to apply for a grant. Currently, you're looking at the dashboard. This is the page you land on after you log into your account. In order to log into your account for the first time, you'll need to register. You can register by going to www.commongranapplication.com and clicking on the green applicant icon. When you're logging in, you're asked if you'd like to go directly to the application or to the dashboard. If you chose the dashboard and you're now ready to start your application, just click on Start Draft Application. Multiple grant makers use the Common Grant Application site to receive and manage grants. So you can scroll down to find Tompkins County, or you can search for them in the search field. When you find them, just click on Select Program next to their name. They have multiple programs or applications on our site. So find the one you're applying to and click on Start Draft App. For this video, I'm going to apply to the Community Celebrations application. So I'm clicking on Start Draft App next to that name. I'm now in the draft application. You can see on the left-hand side there are different tabs. These are the different pages you need to go through in order to submit your application. Currently, I'm on the Grant Guidelines page. You're going to want to scroll down and read all this information. At the bottom, there are some fields you need to fill out, saying you've read and understand the guidelines and initial it. When you're done, you can use the arrows on the right to move to the next page. Anytime you use the arrows to go forward or backward, or if you want to jump ahead, you can click on the tabs on the left-hand side. Anytime you've entered any information on a page and you use the arrows or the tab to jump ahead, that information will automatically be saved. But if you're going to be entering a lot of information on one page and you're on that page for an extended period of time, I recommend clicking the Save button periodically. I'm going to move to the Applicant and Project Information page, which has some input fields and some text fields. Information on Program. This has a text field that allows 3,000 characters. Spaces are included as characters. As you type, you'll see that the character count goes down, letting you know how many characters you have left. You can also cut and paste your answers from other programs into these fields. Some browsers allow you to take the bottom right-hand corner and drag it to make it bigger. Then there's the Projected and Past Attendance page, and then there's an Attachments page. To upload the required attachments or the optional attachments, you're just going to click on Upload next to the name. So for example, if I want to upload my budget, I just click on Upload. I browse my computer, click on the file, and click Save. The last page is the Preview Check Application page. In this case, I have a big red Not Ready for Submission. Clearly, I did not fill out all the required fields or upload all the required documents. There's a reasons table below letting me know what is wrong with my application. So for example, on the Grant Guidelines page, I did not select the correct value for this field. So I can click on the page link here or here and go back to the page to correct it. Once all of my application is complete, I will have a green Ready for Submission on this page, and the Submit Application button here will highlight green. I can click on it, click Submit, receive an application number on my page, and I will also receive an email confirmation letting me know my application was successfully submitted. I can also find a copy of my application off of my dashboard on my Grants tab. You do not have to finish this application in one sitting. Every page has a pause button. You can pause out of the application. You can log out in the upper right-hand corner. When you log back in, you'll have a Resume Draft Application link on your dashboard. If you click on that link, you go right back into the application where you left off. You also have an Exit Draft Application. If you click on this, you do not lose any work that you've entered. You've just removed that you've been working on the draft. If you do that by accident, just click on Start Draft Application, find Tompkins County Department of Planning and Sustainability, and go back into the correct application. As I mentioned before, after you submit your application, you will have a copy of it under your Grants tab. This can be found up here. If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Good luck with your application.